Today we are making a powerful natural fertilizer that works especially well for peppers, but also for tomatoes and cucumbers. It provides essential nutrients that support fast growth, strong plant and high yields, while also offering protection from common pests and diseases. Peppers respond particularly well to phosphorus for better flowering and fruiting, and to potassium for healthy fruit development. Start by mixing 300 milliliters of warm water with 100 milliliters of milk. Milk is full of valuable nutrients like calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and proteins, all of which strengthen the plant and improve soil absorption. The second ingredient is 1 tablespoon of used coffee grounds. Coffee grounds are rich in nitrogen and contain small amounts of potassium and phosphorus, which help support healthy leaf growth and overall plant vitality. They also improve soil structure and attract beneficial microbes that naturally protect plants from disease. Add half a tablespoon of turmeric. It has strong natural antifungal and antibacterial effects that help protect plants from infections and boost their immunity. Let everything sit in the water for a few hours. Then strain and dilute with 2 liters of water. Give each plant about 200 milliliters of this mix every 10 days by watering the soil or spraying the leaves. If you enjoyed this, feel free to share it with others and subscribe to the channel. Thank you,